What's good, everybody? It's your girl Fifi Official, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can tell by this title, y'all already know what's going down. You know, I'm about to just show y'all the goods. Show y'all the goods. We about to be unboxing not one, not two, but 3 boxes of goods by Sam's Beauty and Amazon. So y'all just stick around. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can hear my ceiling fan in the background, but your girl is hot, so I had to have that fan on a little hot right now. But that's the sound. If y'all hear that little annoying sound that's in the background, it's my ceiling fan. My bad. But your girl's hot. But yeah, let's just get into this first one I got. It's a facial brush that I got from Sam's Beauty. You know, I needed another facial brush. Well, I needed one. I didn't have one, but I needed one. But I saw this and I was like, I got to cop it. I got to get it. So yeah, you need, it don't come with batteries, so you need your own 2 AAA batteries, and this is what it looks like. It comes with its holder. That's what it looks like. And by the way, I opened up everything already because I had to make sure all my stuff was here. So I opened up, which it is, but yeah, I opened up everything, so everything's already opened up in front of me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The brush, oh, it comes with a brush cover, and this part is so soft, which is good because I can't have no rough brush across my face, because you will definitely see it. You will see the damage. My skin is very sensitive, so I need something soft, and this right here is so soft. And then there's when you turn it on, it you put your batteries down here, so you have to pull it. That's what it's like. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so you have to pull it down to put your 2 AAA batteries in. And from the looks of it, it don't spin. Yeah, it don't spin, which is cool, whatever. It vibrates. I do the spinning myself across my face. So yeah, I needed another facial brush, and that's what I got. So yeah. Next thing I got, I had to get me some more gel. This gel right here is the gel, like one of the best gels I use, you know. I use this gel too. Both of them smell good. This is not coconut, peppermint, and this just smells good. It's you know, braiding gel. You can use this for locks and all that. You know, I have brothers, so I lock their hair up with this too, and it works. Yeah, and I have to do edges. You know, this stuff lays so good. I think the only thing about this gel, it does kind of flake a little bit, like not much, but I guess it depends on how much you put on, but it flakes just a little bit. Well, it turns your hair white. Not as much though, but you know, it depends. You could take a little water or something like that and just, I don't know, or some spray. You'll be good. But these gel right here is so good. And y'all know I had to get me some more caps, wig caps, because you know I'm about to be making wigs. Springtime, summertime is coming up. So, you know, once I got the hang of making wigs, your girl can't stop. So, y'all already know it's about to go down. It is about to go down. And then you know I had to get me the Cream of Nature Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. The shampoo. I had to get it. They smell good, by the way. New fragrance. This smells so good. And I had to cop a lot about it. Y'all already know. I had to cop it. I love this mousse. So that's the first box. Second box It's strictly hair. So the first hair I got is a Dominican curl. Comes with 5 pieces. 18 is the shortest, the longest is 22. So it's, 18, 20, 22. I got this in a number 2. So, I will probably won't be wearing this to when it really get hot outside, because, that's when you get to show your hair. You ain't got to be wearing hats or nothing like that. So, many of the hair I got up in here, I pretty much won't be wearing it until it get hot. Usually in the wintertime, I keep my hair braided up or something like that. But y'all know this is a wig, by the way. Y'all saw my last video, or the video before the last video. But yeah, but y'all see this? I want my stuff to look like this, and I will get my hair to look like this, because I like big hair. So my hair will definitely look like this when I put this in. Trust me, I'm in trouble all my life. But yeah, and it's soft, by the way. This what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see. Maybe I'll put a video in so y'all can see what it looks like close, but close. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I got a net over it, so, but it's real soft. I like it. Yep, that's the first pack of hair. The next I have the Freetress Equal Drawstring Ponytail Crush Girl 36 inches, and it's in number 2. That's my hair color, just like the last one. My hair color is a number 2. It's long. It's long, by the way. You got a net on it, so it can't really stretch how I want to. But yeah, this hair is soft, curly, just how I like it. And I won't be wearing this to like maybe the springtime, summertime. When you're able to just hook your hair up and just not mess it up by putting like a head on your head. So yeah, that's that. Now y'all know I had to get me Twitter Retro Puffs small. It's the FS 1B30. I'm about to make me two big puffball ponytails. That's what I always wanted to do with my hair. I wanted 2 puffball ponytails. So I saw this on Sam's Beauty. I'm gonna put everything down in the description box below. So yeah, but I had to get this right here, and it's cute. Like the color of it is so cute. More like a springtime vibe, 70s, 80s type of style. I had to get it. I had to get it, because I'm all about the natural looks and all that stuff. And this right here is natural as it gets for me. But yeah, I had to get 2 of these. And then I had to get me some braided hair. I got this in a 1 though. Like when I want to make me like maybe 2 cornrows or something, or maybe just like a ponytail, like with a what you call that, a top knot bun or something like that. Got me too. It's gonna come in handy for something, trust me. I'm not gonna go to waste. I don't waste no hair. I don't waste no hair. I don't waste no hair. That's very dramatic, but that's all from Sam's Beauty. Now, Amazon. I just got 2 things from Amazon, just 2 things. And I went and got me, this is another facial product I use that's real good for my face. Kind to skin. It's kind to skin. Like I said, my skin is real sensitive, and this stuff right here, it don't have harsh chemicals or anything like that, so it works good for my face. So yeah, I had to get me 3 of them, because I be going through these things like I be drinking water or something like that. But yeah, I'm over dramatic. And then I had to give me professional hair straightener styling. Y'all know how we like to press our hair out. Well, I still do. I still like to press my hair out. I do. I got this off Amazon. And it's electrical. electrical. Yeah, this is what it looks like. You know, because you know how we used to like put it comes with a comb, by the way, a wide tooth comb, which is cool. But y'all know how we used to do. We used to well, you say our moms, our grandmas, and all that stuff. We used to put the comb on the stove. Have to put it in our hair. We had to hold our ear and stuff like that. We'd be jumping, and yeah, we remember those days. But you know, I'm still living in those days. But I can plug this right into the wall. I don't have to sit at no stove. I can sit right in my room and watch TV while I'm doing my hair, which I usually do. But yeah, I had to get this. I think this is real cool. They have a pink one like this too. I just wanted black though. But yeah. So yeah, that's everything I got. I don't have a lot of stuff, but maybe next time when I do another unboxing, I will most definitely have some more stuff. Probably a lot more than what I got right now, but I'm just showing y'all the little stuff that I got right now, which I'm very happy about. And I just can't wait to use this right here because I've been looking forward to using this. But yeah, anyways, so that's the end of this video. I appreciate y'all watching. A real quick video. I appreciate y'all watching though. So anyways, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay real. Y'all stay chill. You feel me? Oh, I messed that up. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay real. Y'all stay chill. You feel me? And I'll catch y'all back with another video. Peace, y'all.